If your car back seat won't lock properly, do not ignore it. This small issue can become a serious safety risk while driving. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a car back seat lock problem step by step, even if you've never repaired a car before. Most people think the seat is broken. But in most cases, it's just dirt, misalignment, or a stuck latch. Step 1. Clean the lock. First, locate the metal latch behind the seat. Clean dust and dirt, spray WD-40 or lubricant, move the mechanism a few times. This alone fixes many cases instantly. Step 2. Fix alignment. Now check if the seat is properly aligned. Push the seat firmly into position. Make sure nothing is blocking it like seat belts. Press until you hear a solid click. Step 3. Test the lock. After locking, always test it. Pull the seat firmly. Make sure it doesn't move. Check both sides if needed. Step 4. If still not working, if it still doesn't lock, the spring or latch may be damaged. This usually needs replacement. A mechanic can fix it quickly. Now you know how to fix your car back seat lock in minutes. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick car repair tips.